From coast to coast, from dreamers to doers, this is the sound of the stars and stripes. From the neon nights of Vegas shine to New York dreams on a subway line, golden sun in a Cali sky, we dance, we rise, we never say goodbye. We're red, we're white, we're bold and free, a melody from sea to sea, voices loud in harmony, singing for the world to see. We're more than borders, more than names, we're hearts on fire, we're burning flames, one flag, one sound, we won't stand still, we sing out loud, we always will. We are the lights of liberty, shining bright for all to see. From every street to every shore, we open hearts, we open doors. Together we stand, together we play. USA brings the world a brand new day. Turn it up, let the whole world say, we're here, we shine, USA. With every rhythm, every rhyme, we carry dreams through space and time. Different voices, one big song, we've been diverse all along. Stars and stripes, we wave them high, but we dance beneath the same blue sky. In this contest, love's the prize. See the world through freedom's eyes. So raise your flag, your heart, your voice, every person, every choice.